Wait till you see this shit. Look what's in our bathroom right now. Oh my god.
What the fuck?
Bro, how did you get in here?
That's what I'm saying. What the fuck?
Fucking Christ, this thing's staring at me.
What the fuck is that?
Oh my god. He's moving.
Are you ready?
No. Okay, go. Fucking just do it. Ah, it's flying around. Joe's a braver man than I am.
You're going the other way, you bitch.
I'm coming. He's on top. He's on top of you. He's on top of the bar. There he is.
This wild man.
There he is. Ah! Get out of here. Hey. Hey.
The other way.
Go. Run. Just. We need the big guns, boys. We got a rake. The rake should do it. Alright, Joe, here's your weapon of choice.
That was a pretty good weapon.
Poke the bird.
That's like a big ass. You go this way, bitch.
Fall. Fall. Fall.
I don't want to hurt you, you bitch.
Oh!
The other way, you bitch! The other way! Fuck!
Alright, so we're gonna capture the bird now. Let's put the towel over.
Those talons look pretty fucking dangerous.
I know, yeah, just definitely step one is cover the whole bird with my towel. Oh! We got it. Pick it up by the body. Gentle. There you go. You can't see. It won't strike. It won't strike. Oh, there's Marsh again. All right, just go outside. Oh my god, what the fuck is that?
Yeah!
All right, the bird's out.
Woo. Close these doors.
He's out, boys. Long live the bird, wherever he may be.